Oh wow, yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. I stand. Rosh Bash everybody! Shoni Bashi. Welcome back to my channel. So my name is Dro. So if you are new, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing some Kurdish reaction. I hope you guys are ready. This is a requested one. So this is a new singer. I don't know this person, but we're gonna find out. So I'm really happy and I'm ready to make a video, and hopefully you enjoyed it and smile more. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. Excuse me, sir. Giving me the effects and everything. Okay. Maybe it's a bop. I don't know. Is this Halloween inspired? I don't know. Oh, excuse me. Okay. 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 Roger, okay, yes. He looks really good. Oh, what's that? I don't know what's going on, but you know, I'm here for the video. Excuse me, sir. Roshna. No smoking. He's smoking, girl. Speaking, singing wise, he sings good. I'm not really like into the song, so let's go and watch another song and see if he's better in another song. Wow. Oh wow, he's I mean, yes, okay. It's very predictable just because like, oh, the cute girl, and then he's, you know what I mean? It's okay, but I'm not like, I'm still like, should I stand? Like I'm still thinking, you know? 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay, hold on. Maybe we find something. Like, okay. Do you know I love that traditional moment? Oh, that woman has tattoos, like, yes. He look okay. Oh, this has to be a celebration because like Choppy in her video, she was like sitting down with people eating, so she was celebrating something. So I'm pretty sure he's celebrating something. Shout out to them. Hey, okay, yes, he's very versatile. Soft songs, I'm kind of like, romantic songs, I'm kind of like, give me something to move, okay? So he did give me, so I'm really happy for that. Thumbs up this video. If you have another reaction that you want me to react, let me know, okay? I'm here for you. Okay, bye.